Let's go, guys. It's your favorite YouTube mechanic, Raul TV, Team R4UL. Let's go. What we're doing now is we've got a 2013-14 kind of thing, Citroen Ds3. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do like a mini engine service. We're going to change the oil. Basically, we're going to do an oil change on it. Oil change, oil filter replacement. Also, the service light is on. The oil maintenance light is on. The service light. We've done the MOT on this car. Checked through everything. All the brakes. Everything's been done. So we're not going to do all that. We're just going to do the oil filter, and we're going to go ahead and reset the service light as well. I'm going to show you. Stay tuned to the end of the video. You can see how to reset it as well. Dead easy. So yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Right, we've got the car up on the ramp. It's on the ramp. We're going to send it up. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Get some axle stands on it. You don't want the car falling on you. So we're going to send it up. Before we send it up, what we're going to do is we're going to leave the car running. Okay, make sure it's nice and warm, nice and hot, the engine oil. So when you're draining it, everything comes out. You don't want lumps and clumps like that. If it's cold, then basically it'll be thick, and you're not going to get everything out. So make sure it's nice and warm. Send it up. Go underneath it, or if you're doing it on the floor, like I said, go underneath it and let's drain it. Okay, so I'm underneath the car now. What we need to do is we need to get a size 8 Allen key in there, sump plug. Size 8 Allen key. All we do is just crack that off, just like that. You can see everything's coming out, and drain the oil. Right, sump plug is back on. I've tightened it up. I'm going to send it down now, and we're going to tackle the oil filter, fill it up with oil. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, it's a paper element filter. It's in there. I mean, if you can get your hands in there and do it there, then happy days, you know, fair enough, you can do it there. But to make our life a lot easier, we're just going to take this air intake pipe off. Not hard. It's supposed to have a clip there, a little push on clip, but it's not there. Makes my life even easier. So we just lift it up there, if I can, that is. There we go, lift it up there. Right, so after we've lifted that up, we're going to come to here, little clip here. We're going to flick that up. Okay, after we flick that up, we're going to pull the pipe out. Same on this one as well. I mean, you don't have to take this part off if you don't want to, but we'll take that off as well. Same again. We're going to lift that up, right, and pull the pipe out at the same time. Okay, now we've taken that pipe off. There's half of it. There's the other half. Okay, we can gain access to the air filter, oil filter cap here, and take that off. 27mm. It'll be a 27mm socket or a spanner. Let's take that off anti-clockwise. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, there is the oil filter off. We just take that off from there, throw that away, and we're going to replace the seal. So we'll take that seal off. Okay, new seal back on. It's not easiest to do it with one hand, but if you get both hands on it, it's nice and easy. So you get the picture. When you get that seal on, there we go. Okay, that seal's on. Just use a bit of oil, lubricate that seal so it's nice and lubricated. Get the filter. Bang the filter on there. Sorry about the noise in the background. But there we go, that's the oil filter all built up. We're just going to bang it on, put it on the car, and tighten it up. Oil filter is back on. The cap is back on, tightened up. If you want to go all professional and do it like properly, get the torque wrench out. It's 25 Newton meters. It says it there, 25 Newton meters. The thing is, hand tight is about 25 Newton meters, maybe more. Okay, so hand tight, I've just done it hand tight, 27mm spanner, just hand tightened it. You can go with the torque wrench and do it 25 Newton meters. Entirely up to you. I'm going to get this pipe back on. right? And we're gonna do the oil, fill it up with the oil, dipsticks there. Let's finish it off. Let's go. Okay guys, I've done it, all done and dusted. Topped it up with oil, filled it up with oil filters on, rechecked it. Make sure you start the car up after you fill it up with oil first time round. Turn the car off, then recheck it again, okay? Because it'll go into the filter, into the nuts and crannies, okay? And then you get a proper reading that way. Right, that's all done. I'm gonna go inside the car, reset the service light, and job done. Okay, to reset the service maintenance, the service light, absolutely dead easy. It takes literally 10 seconds, okay? This is how we do it. So what we need to do is, as you can see, it says, you can't really go wrong, a spanner there, okay? Meaning service, maintenance, right? Service light is on. Okay, we need to press and hold that, okay? And turn the ignition on. Right, so I'm gonna press and hold that, okay? And then I'm gonna turn the ignition on, okay? So I need to put this camera down. Right, as soon as you turn the ignition on, I've just turned the ignition on, you've got a countdown, as you can see there, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And that's it. As soon as it gets to 0, you can let go of that. Okay, turn the ignition back off. Boom, there we go. Service light should go off as soon as I start it up now. All off. Done and dusted. Happy days. Let's go. So there we go guys, literally takes 10 seconds to reset the service light. But make sure you do at least minimum an oil change, because if you don't do an oil change and the service light's on and you just reset it for the fun of it, not very good. Okay, so anyway guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV will see you guys soon.